Okay. What is Android?
Sir, Android is an operating system, open source operating system, and Android is based on Linux kernel.
Linux kernel means?
Uh, so Linux kernel is I think this is operating system type in which we use Linux. Like we use if we use Windows or Linux, that type of, I think. And sir, Android, we use Android for mobile application development. And nowadays we are also use Android applications in tablets and smart TV and also in the computers.
What is ART in Android?
Sorry.
ART. Do you know about it?
No, sir.
Android runtime.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know about Android architecture?
No, sir.
How many layers Android has been divided?
Android divided into two layers. First one is design layer, and second one is code layer. In design layer, we design the UI interface, and the code layer we code for the operation performing on the widgets.
Okay. How many methods will be implemented on activity lifecycle?
Sir, activity life cycle, like cycle in there is 7 methods. First one is on create, second one is on start, third one is on resume, fourth one is on pause, fifth one is on stop, second one is on restart, and seventh one is destroy.
Okay. What is log.d in Android?
So log.d is like system.out.println in Java. We use their system.out.println for showing the data, and here in Android log.d used for show some data in our
Output window.
output window.
Okay. D stand for, do you know that? Log.d. D stand for? I think that debugger.
Debugger, yes, sir, debugger on VB.
Okay. What is how to connect design file of Android activity to code file? Which method is used?
So there is one method, set context view, in which we are connect to design file to code file by r.id, and we give the name of the XML file.
Set context view.
Okay. Sir.
What do you tell? Set. What is the name of method?
Set context view, I think.
Set content view or set context view?
Set content view. Yes.
What is bundle in Android?
So bundle is used to set and get data between the activity. We can set and get data between one activity to another activity.
Okay. Means suppose that where you have used bundle?
Sir,
bundle.
Suppose sir, I have to navigate between the two activities. Suppose I have one activity 1 and activity 2. There will be, I use in activity 1 I use intent, and I give the some value by the put extra method. In the receiving side, in activity 2 I use the bundle, and by bundle object I get the data in key value form from the first activity.
Okay. Suppose that we want to receive image type data using bundle.
Okay.
Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, in intent, we give the position of in from first activity. We give the position of the image. Hence,
Suppose that I have one images,
okay.
one dot .jpg or something else, r dot travel dot one. This type of images we have, and I want to send these images into the second activity and receive these images to bundle. That is possible or not?
Sir, that is possible by put int method, through put int method.
Okay.
in which if I give some variable name to the image and I pass through the put in method that variable and take into the that bundle and print on the set text or set image view.
Okay. What is the syntax to set background image in activity by code, by Java code?
The Java code. Sir, I can't remember, but I can try.
Yeah.
Sir, we use by code. We can use. I think the method is set background. No, sorry, image resource. I think so. Set image resource method.
Okay.
We will use.
Set image resource method. And what is the parameters there?
Sorry, sir, I can't remember.
You have not used.
I have used, but I can't remember now.
Okay. What is the main difference between fragment and activity?
Sir, activity is a main class of the Java, but the fragment is a sub part of the activity. Activity means like a full screen. If you want to that screen, if you want to multiple screens, if you want to connect them, then we use fragment.
Means which is the method that is used on fragment, not used on activity?
Just a minute. Sorry, sir, I can't remember now.
Okay. Without any activity we can run fragment?
No, sir, because all the fragments run on the main activity.
What is the syntax to replace one fragment to another?
We use inflator for replace one fragment to another. And the syntax I forget, sir. Syntax.
Okay. What is custom list view?
Sir, suppose in list view we use the list view for showing the data in the form of list. If you want to suppose if you want to present the data in the form of columns, like if I want to choose a country name and by the side I want to write the country name, then I use custom list view.
Okay. Custom list view can be bind by simple array adapter.
No, sir. For custom list view, I have to make custom array adapter.
Okay. What is the main difference between spinner and list view?
Sir, list view is all about presenting the data in the form of list. But in spinner, we use the spinner for the performing data in the drop-down manner.
Drop down list format.
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of events of list view?
Sir, event name of list view is set on item click listener.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Set on item selected listener or set on item click listener?
Click listener. I'm sorry, sir.
It is in list view.
Yes, list view for list view set on item click listener.
Okay.
And for spinner set on item select listener.
Okay. You have worked on SQLite also?
Yes, sir, I have one.
Okay. What is the SQLite Open Helper class?
Sir, SQLite Open Helper class is used to perform the operation on the SQLite, like CRUD operation.
It is for CRUD operations or is something else? Which is the mandatory method of SQLite Open Helper?
Mandatory?
SQLite Open Helper. Mandatory methods.
Mandatory method. First we have to create constructor. Second one is on create, and third is on upgrade. In on create, by on create, it calls on automatically when we create the database. And for on upgrade method is used for the upgrade the data and delete the data.
Okay.
And it calls when our app is destroyed.
Okay. Means on upgrade is used to upgrade the data. Okay. How to insert record into the table using SQLite? What is the queries for it?
Sir, for inserting data,
You heard about content values?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sorry, sir. I can't remember.
Okay, that's it.